Bonjour, my name is Stein and welcome to devlog 4 of Sacre Bleu.
Sacre Bleu!
Since last devlog, we've been doing tons of stuff. So let's delve right in. Levels.
Levels.
So we got all of 6 new levels, 3 armory levels and 3 sewer levels. And this is how we make a level. First, Alex makes a plan that looks something like this. No, something like this. This is the very broad stroke of a level, and it deals with the rhythm and overarching design goals. It answers questions like, what is the theme of the level? What should it feel like? Etc. Once we agree on a plan, we'll go ahead and block out the level. We work very light at this stage because things will change. They never not change. Because in game development, nothing is made perfect the first time around. When we are happy with the layout, we sprinkle in combat elements and platforming. We try and make the level flow as nicely as possible. The player should never lose engagement, but also not be bombarded with gameplay. The level should take around 3 to 6 minutes to play through for a skilled player. We intentionally keep our levels this short. Sacre Bleu is a game that is easy to pick up and play in short segments. We would like to avoid locking the player to a screen for too long, so we do not want to punish players who cannot commit for longer play sessions. And finally, we move over to the art pass, where we put in the backgrounds, the windows, plants, moving gears, mechanical elements, clouds, light rays, puffs of smoke, etc. etc. The level should be visually inspiring and let the players immediately know where in the level they are by just seeing the background. And then there's more testing. Ooh, so much testing. And we also send the level to players outside of the dev team to test. And more often than not, they'll find bugs that we didn't think of. This time, we got some great feedback from a speedrunner called Fearcube. He found some real clunky bugs.
So I'm going to talk about the soft lock. So pretty much if you blast a bullet here and then hold this weapon, the sword, and then go to shoot again, you become stuck. The way you get unfrozen is by pressing the button again. Oh, I made it into the hole. But so pretty much you're continuously frozen. So if you do something like this, the game is now soft locked.
He also suggested we added timers to the levels. They display how long it took to finish the level, and it shows up over each level doors too. Very nice. Head over to his YouTube channel to see him speedrun. But wait, we did more. Boss. The armory level needed a boss, so we came up with this one. He has 4 attacks and the player needs to figure out how to beat him. So we won't spoil it here, but it should be fun. And then we did new enemy. Yeah, we needed a new enemy for the sewers. This one walks around on stilts and shoots charges of electricity at the player. He'll also knock your boat away from him, as well as throw around debris and reflect bullets and bombs. This guy doesn't have a name yet, it's just Sewers Enemy. If you have a good idea, let us know in the comments. If we pick your idea, your name goes in the thank you section in the credits list. And lastly, we did promotion. We participated in a Pitch a Game event over on Twitter where you, well, pitch your game. It was our first stab at doing some PR outreach. These kinds of contests and PR in general is very interesting, but before we could participate we needed some more software infrastructure. We opened up our itch.io site. Itch is a great place for indie game developers. We uploaded a playable demo that is free to the public, so if you want to give it a go, you'll find the link below. And if that wasn't enough, we also made a Steam page. This took a whole lot longer than expected. Steam Workshop was difficult to get our heads around. But after a lot of photoshopping and sending messages to Valve employees, we managed to get it online. Go visit it now and wishlist the game. Wishlisting is very helpful. So yeah, that about covers it for this time. See you next devlog. Au revoir!